Guys, today I'm going to show you how to fold the flapping bird, and then I'm going to show you how to modify it into the flapping dragon. Let's get started. First, what you're going to do, you're going to fold this edge along that edge. Like that. You're going to open it up. Fold this edge along that edge. Then you're going to fold this edge along this crease. Flip it over. Fold this edge along this crease. Then you're going to open up this pocket in the middle. And you're going to squash it. Like so. Flatten everything. Alright, now fold this edge. Fold this edge along this middle crease. And same with the other side. Alright, now I'm going to flip this over and do the same. Alright, now what you're going to do, you're going to fold this flap down along this edge. Flip the crease. I'm going to open it up and do the same for the other side. Alright, what you're going to do now is you're going to open these two flaps, fold this up along this crease right here. Like that. And then you're going to fold these two flaps down like that. And then you're going to fold these two edges as well, so that you make a petal fold. And you're going to do the same for the other side. So, open these two flaps up, fold this along that crease, these two flaps inwards like that. Alright, now we did a petal fold on both sides. Time for our next step. Should have flattened everything out like this. Now what you're going to do, you're going to open up this flap. You're going to fold this up along this point right here. Then you basically fold it in half. And if it doesn't work, try opening up these flaps a little bit. Like that, then close it. Then you should be able to fold it. Now what you're going to do, you're going to fold this down so that this edge aligns with this edge. Just like that. And same with the other side. Then open this flap up. You're going to fold it up on this point. Close it. Fold it down so that this edge aligns with this edge. Now what you're going to do, you're going to fold this flap down as much as you want to for the bird. Alright, so first fold it down. You're going to fold it down from this point to this point. Here to here. Then just flatten it. And then align the wing with the other wing for this other side. And here you have your flapping bird. Now you can leave it like this if you're done, but if you want to make a flapping dragon, we're going to have to keep going. So, you're going to open this up, and you're going to reverse fold this up, like that much. It doesn't matter how much, just make sure this is a little small here. Now what you're gonna do here is you're gonna reverse fold it down like that, then reverse fold it straight like that, so you have the tail for the dragon. Now what you're gonna do is, see this crease here? You're gonna fold along it. Then you're gonna fold it and reverse it. Then you're gonna fold this edge along this edge. Throughout the entire wing. Just like that. Now you're gonna open it up and you're gonna fold this whole edge along this crease right here. Just like that. So, let me recap on what we did. So we folded this down, then we folded this edge along this edge, then we folded this edge along this edge, then we opened it up and folded this edge along this crease, like that. And you're going to do the same for the other side. So fold it down, fold this edge along this edge, fold this edge along this edge, and then open it up and fold this edge along this crease. Alright, so what we got now is this type of folded wings, but here's the last step. What you're going to do is you're going to fold this up from this point where this crease is to however big you want this. I'm gonna make it about a centimeter big. Alright, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna refold everything. So that's like that. And there you got one wing for the flapping dragon. Now you're gonna do the same for the other side. So fold it along this point to about a centimeter from me, like that. Then make sure to refold everything. And there you go. You got your flapping dragon. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you really liked it, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's shoot for fun.